boys.
Hello, Rosalina. Hello.
Oh, hey, Rosalina. Hey, aren't we in the same math class? Because, we have a math project. I was just wondering if you want to be my partners. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we'll meet at my house at 3. Arf, arf.
Okay.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm homebound.
Okay. I'll start the project since I'm the smartest.
Yeah, you can do that. Call us if you need any help. I'll come here to Tia Rosalinda.
Why are you looking at me all weird? Why, this is a little boring. Let's pump it up a little.
I don't think that's a good idea. Bubba's working really hard.
I need your help.
Sonny, go over there and help him.
Let's finish this so we can hang out with Rosalinda.
She's not helping.
She doesn't have to because, she's popular, and because she's popular, that makes us popular because she's hanging out with us.
I have a plan. We do the project and she gets no credit, but we tell her she does.
Okay, but won't she be mad because, she's Rosalinda and she will hang out with us?
She won't know she doesn't get credit until tomorrow, so she can party today.
Ha, works for me.
Did you two finish the project?
Why, yes we did.
That's great. Now let's have some fun.
Rosalinda dipped on us.
Oh well, she finished the project. Just keep dancing.
I wonder what I got on my project.
Hey, Rosalinda, your test.
Oh my god, an F minus? Is that even possible?
Hey, Rosalinda, what you get on that project?
I got an F minus.
Well, I say we just drop out and, join the twerk team.
Con los terroristas.
And do the Harlem Shake.